Guided meditation is a powerful tool for enhancing mindfulness and overall well-being. It involves following a guide, either through a live instructor, a recorded session, or an app that helps direct your thoughts and focus. This practice can significantly boost your ability to remain present and attentive in your daily life. Benefits of guided meditation. 1. Enhanced mindfulness. Guided meditation helps anchor your attention, reducing distractions. This enhances your awareness of the present moment, allowing you to experience life more fully and with greater clarity. 2. Reduced stress and anxiety. By focusing on calming words and imagery, guided meditation can lower stress hormones, leading to a more relaxed state of mind. 3. Improved emotional health. Regular practice can increase positive emotions and decrease symptoms of depression by fostering a sense of inner peace and stability. 4. Better focus and concentration. The practice trains your mind to focus better, which can improve productivity and decision-making skills. 5. Physical health benefits. It can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and even reduce chronic pain by promoting relaxation and reducing the body's stress response. Easy guided meditation exercises. 1. Morning mindfulness routine. Start your day with a 5-minute guided meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and listen to a recording that focuses on breathing and setting positive intentions for the day. 2. Midday break. Take a 10-minute break during your workday for a quick guided meditation. Find a quiet space and use an app to follow a session designed to relieve stress and re-energize your mind. 3. Body scan meditation. Lie down or sit comfortably. Listen to a guided meditation that takes you through each part of your body, encouraging relaxation and awareness of physical sensations. 4. Gratitude meditation. Before bed, spend 5 minutes with a guided meditation focusing on gratitude. Reflect on the positive aspects of your day and the things you are thankful for, fostering a positive mindset before sleep. 5. Walking meditation. Use a guided meditation while taking a walk. Focus on your steps, breathing, and the environment around you, which helps integrate mindfulness into your physical activity. Incorporating these simple exercises into your daily routine can greatly enhance your mindfulness practice, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Guided meditation makes it easier to meditate consistently, even for beginners, by providing structure and support. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.